Hi everyone, it's Kathie Bryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and what size is it? That's a good question. You see this for you, come here. You see before you a 40 by 50 centimetre or 15.7 by 19.7 inch canvas that used to look like that. Doesn't anymore. I've put black paint on it, and I have poured 3 cups here. I'm going to do a flippy cup, and there is silicone in some of the colours, I'll tell you that. And I've got black, yellow, white, vermilion and gold, and there is silicone in the yellow, vermilion, gold, and a bit of isopropylene alcohol in the white. So, here we go. And I'm just going to do little flippy cuppies. Probably have just a tad too much paint, but that'll be okay. Right. So much easier to do it with a piece of cardboard. And I have a messy table here. I'm just going to let those do their thing for a minute. So the recipes for the paints and the pouring medium you'll find below the video under show more, and you can go up. Can you go up? Just a tad, thank you. Right. Ah, goodness, I have it all over me too. All right, so let's get this show on the road. So you can, ooh. Nice. It didn't exactly all come out the same, but let's just scratch this one out. Plenty of paint. So, below show more, under this video, I love this one. You'll also find a link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come and join us over there. Take them down a little, back. I'll bring it over this corner. Back. Then I would have to just turn him around a tad. And him down to that corner, and he's done, and then back. Just going to stretch him out a bit and get rid of some of this here. It doesn't look all that interesting. This here is pretty, but I'm going to let this run down even more because I quite like this here. So, you know, and this is a bit not like that. So I'm just going to let him run down a bit more. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. And I can have some of this on here. Oh, come on, do hurry up. I still don't like that bit. If it doesn't hurry up and leave, I'm going to put another ink pour over it. Just that corner. And it's not going to, so alright. If that's the way you want to be, let's do this. I really like that. That is really nice. So, what have I got in there? I've got not much white. So what do I want? I want some vermilion. I'd like some yellow there. Obviously some gold. And a tad of black, I think. Right. Let's see how this goes. Now this is turning out pretty good. And it looks better than the first one. I don't know. So now I'm going to bring it down over the top of this one that I did like. And just see what happens here. See what's happening. So I have vermilion, yellow, gold, just do this baby again. Right, so down you go. So that's all I'm going to do. I might just bring it back a little bit more to the centre. It is moving back. Okay, so I'm one happy little Vegemite here. Just get rid of the fingerprints. There's a bit of there. Colour here. Ooh, that's nice. Right, so I'm just going to wash my hands and then I'm going to torch it and I'll bring it down to have a look. I really like that. It is really effective. The gooey paint didn't want to come off. I think it likes me sticking to me. Oh, that's it. Really nice. And the golden and black there look really good. Okay, so let's give it a little torch. Okay, I didn't see too many air bubbles, but I don't know what that is. Get out, whatever you are. Did you go? Did you go when you asked politely? That was being polite. Right. Not so much in the line of cells, just a few here and there, but the lines and the wiggling and what have you, they're really, really pretty and really, really effective. Right, stop fiddling. I'll bring it down to take a look. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell, you'll be notified then when I put up more videos into YouTube. And this is what I've been looking at. You can see how bright she is. Yep. And that gold, as I said to you, when it's dry, that's going to really sparkle. And this one's really pretty. I do hope you've enjoyed watching this. I like the first one I did, however this one I think is a lot nicer, a lot better, and I actually am enjoying looking at this one a lot more, so yeah, I'm pleased that I went over the top. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, as I said, and please give this one the thumbs up. I do appreciate that, and I'll catch you in the next one. So bye for now.